Hi everyone, welcome back. I am back with N Team, and today I'm gonna watch their dance practices for Firework and Road Not Taken. For Firework, we have the fixed version, the movie version, and a special video filmed by you version. Filmed by me? I don't know. I have no idea. And then we have as well a relay dance for Firework. And then a Road Not Taken dance practice. So that's the plan for today. Let's go. First video is the firework dance practice, the fixed version. I do love the fixed version. It gives that feeling of, just watching them all working together and doing this in sync. I do love the fixed version. I love the moving version as well. It gives a different sentiment. It's more flowy and focus more on the member. Yeah, let me stop yapping and let's get to the dance practice. Oh, pretty. That was pretty. I love domino effects. Oh, that was so easy for them. Ooh. I love this part. Yeah. How they make it look so easy. Ooh. So intense. Oh wow. You're so insane. It's crazy. Ah. I love the song. Whoa, the way that he's controlling them and the controller they have. Ooh. I love his pants. Ooh. Ooh, that was so pretty. Ooh, that was so pretty, like shooting. Love it. Like a shooting star. Ooh, I love that. Wow, the stomps. Wow. That was amazing. Good job. Wow. They make it look so easy, and I know it's not. How? I was gonna watch one more time, but we have like two more videos of the dance, the choreography, so I'm not gonna do that, but this is so intense, and they're such good dancers. And you have like a lot of members, 9 members to be exact, and they make it all look like one, you know? And they still have their way of dancing, their dance style. and it's just a unit. It's so pretty. I love it. Next one, we have Dance Practice the movie version. Wait, why? Why is... Wait a second. Fixed. Let's go. Oh, this part is pretty. Like the little details of the hand doing like this. Look, in here. Oh, so pretty. Oh, that is amazing. The way that they just slide there, they make it look so easy. Look at that. Wow. Cutie. I love this part. It's so original. I don't know. For me, at least, I never saw that. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Sir. Oh, that spin. Graceful. Oh. Wow, that was so pretty. Like an angel. Look at that. Wow. That jump. Wow. Pretty. Wow, they look like they're shooting up, not up, straight. All moving together. The chest popping. Bang, bang. Pretty. This looks so intense. Of course they're tired. Oh. Look at them. Iconic. Wow. I fucking love this song. And the dance practice is just making me, you know, feel even more... What is the word? I forgot the word. When I remember, I'll say it again. Sorry. Next, we have Firework special video filmed by you version. Or filmed by me, I guess. Oh, that scared me. It's saying it's on the June 13th. And I was like, oh my god. But it was like last week, but 2 years ago. Yeah. For a second I thought today was the 13th. It's not. Oh, filmed by me. I get it now. Oh my god, they were sitting in the mud. I love the grainy vibe. From DMV, yeah. It's kind of shaky, like just a normal person filming it. I love it. Normal. When I say normal person, I'm saying like not a cameraman or something like that, like a professional. Okay. Normal person. Oh, like from the MV when she was like sitting on the top of the wall. So she's like filming up. Oh, I got it. Love it. Sir, calm down. Oh my god, he almost fell. He almost actually fell. This is kind of dangerous. This is not a safe space to be filming. It really isn't. What? He almost fell. He slipped. Look. Oh my god, that scared me so much. Please be careful. The white shoes. Oh man. Oh, you wearing that. I love the way that the song just stops there. Wow. I love this concept, like filmed by you. That was really, really cool. And it's kind of shaky, like, I love it. I love it. The song's amazing. The choreography is perfect. I really love them. I really like their songs so much. Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, next one we have here. We have the relay dance for Firework. Let's go. The uniforms, they look so cute. Hi! He was waving. Guys, I'm still not confident enough of saying their names, so I'm not gonna do that. Hi.
여름밤에 피어난 firework 내 심장의 속도가 빨라져가 어떤 여행이어도 좋아 내 가슴이 외치는 이유 지금 너를 보고 싶으니까 어두운 하늘 끝에 가로질렀던 the flame 너 역시 느끼고 있다면 You know that we feel the same 나와 함께 달려가 우리 비춘 저 빛을 봐라 소원을 담아둔 슈를 떠 너를 찾아 헤매서 너야 Light me up 이 밤의 magic You and I 못 잊어 우리 손이 만난 순간 Bang bang 하늘에 피어난 firework 불확실하던 기대고 선명해지고 확신하는 너란 정답을 찾았어 난 그 만남이 가르쳐준 거야 혼자 아니란 걸 I know in love 내 맘이 편안해진 이유 I know in a life 한여름밤의 마법이 나에게 전혀와 Love song 위에 너라는 불을 붙일게 외롭던 너와 나 한순간에 우리가 되는 밤 하나가 된 목소리 벽엔 걸린 빛날린
You're so silly.
그 아래 비춰진 너를 봐 그저 널 바라만 못 뛰냐 Light me up 이 밤의 magic You and I 못 잊어 우리 너와 내가 만난 순간 Bam bam 하늘에 피어난 firework My heart
I love it.
back 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 숨이 차 running so fast
Who's swinging there? Oh, you. Oh my god.
Firework.
Cuties.
안녕.
안녕.
많이 사랑해 주세요.
Oh my god, why are they so cute? I'm gonna cry. You're so freaking adorable. I just want to squish them. Wow. Love this. Okay. Last video we have for today, have Road Not Taken, the dance practice. And dare I say my favorite song ever. Let's go.
Here we going down, down, oh we lost our found. Here we going down, down, so that demo don't stop.
Oh,
Here we going round, round, oh we lost our found. Here we going down, down, secret to the daytime. Here we going round, round, oh we lost our found.
oh my god. No. We're starting this over. So sorry about that. Actually, hi guys. Okay, last video for today. Road Not Taken, dance practice. Let's go. What the hell was that?
Here we going down, down, are we lost or found? Here we going down, down, so that demo don't stop. Here we going round, round, are we lost or found? Here we going down, down, you can do it daytime. Here we going round, round, are we lost or found?
Oh shit, this is so good. That is insane. Yes, I remember that from the MV. That part is so. This choreography is completely crazy. They're insane. Yeah. So sorry for pausing again, but just one more time. Because that jump is not anyone that can, do this. The body roll. I love this. Oh, yes. My favorite part. Oh. Whoa! I'm sorry. Get it! Let's go! This part's so fucking cool. It's a whoa. You're such good dancers. Again? The way they control their bodies, like they're going fast, going real slow. Insane. Oh my god, they're back. Let's go. Oh my god, so much is going on. Oh my god, I love that part. I'm sorry, let me go back. Because the way that he danced right there, I'm speechless. Me saying I'm speechless, but I'm pausing every time to talk. I'm actually not speechless. I have a lot to talk. Oh, wow. It's so intense. Yes. It's amazing. Look at it go. Oh my god, they're doing everything. Let's go. Dare I say, one of the craziest choreography I have ever seen. This was already one of my favorite songs ever, but now with this choreography, it's definitely. Oh my god, they were crazy. They do one awesome thing in the choreography. Like awesome, crazy, amazing. You're like, oh my god, speechless. They're like, you wanted more? Like, do you like that? We have more and more and more crazy stuff, and let's add everything in this choreography. And I thank you for that. Yeah, let's watch it again. I don't care.
Yeah, we going down, down, so the demo don't stop. Yeah, we going round, round, oh, we lost our fun. Yeah, we going down, down, you can do it daytime. Yeah, we going round, round, oh, we lost our fun.
This is one of the best choreographies I've ever seen. I fucking love this song. I love here. They are out of the formation, you know, but they're still in a choreography. They're still like ready. It's amazing. Yes, let's go. Oh my god, this part is so pretty. The howling. Oh my god, they're back. They need a massage after this. He with intent. Oh my god. I hope he's okay. I hope they're okay. Well, I hope it's okay. Oh god, I don't know where to move. Yes. Wait, let me go back. Wow, the way that they all he dropped down and these two dropped down as well, and everything stopped right there. Amazing. Wow. Wow. That looks so fun. Okay, the way that he slide to that formation right here. See, they're doing everything in this one. And it's perfect. Like, it fits. It doesn't look like overwhelmingly. You know, it's okay. Like, it makes sense for this song. Yes. They're so in sync. It's amazing. Ooh. That's amazing. I'm speechless. What an amazing song, an amazing MV, okay, and an awesome choreography. I need to know if they performed this anywhere else where I can watch where they have this choreography because I'm in love. That was, dare I say, I think for this month it's gonna be one of my most listened songs. I've been obsessed. I'm really obsessed with this song. It's just so good. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!